Hey, what's going on? If you want to get a complete system that makes melting fat easy and is 100% automated, then I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of your page right now. YouTube doesn't let me make that link clickable, so you're actually gonna have to type it into your browser, or I also put the copy of the link in the description, so you can click on that or type it into your browser. Alright, for now, enjoy the video, and after you're done with this video, make sure to go to that link to get a complete fat melting system.
Alright, so Jason's gonna do a great ab workout, which is called mountain climber. So it's gonna work out your legs, your triceps, all those core muscles to stabilize. Go ahead and demonstrate the normal mountain climbers. He's just bringing his knees to his chest while just keeping his arms, very slightly bent, even a little locked out. And to add a little twist to it, to make it even better, we just got some regular pads here. You can use a towel, cut it up if you have an old towel, or just any rags that you might have. And go ahead and show them the mountain sliders where...
Hey, what's going on? If you're enjoying the video so far, do me a huge favor and click on the like button below. You'll get your good deed for the day out of the way. It helps me out a lot. Also, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment. Something as simple as good video or I enjoyed the video. It really helps me out with YouTube. Alright, here's the rest of the video.
You're just going to slide, and it's going to really engage. It's kind of like a rubber band resistance. You have more resistance throughout the entire motion. So you're literally just sliding, same thing as a mountain climber, except you use these rags to get a more fuller range of motion.
Yeah, make sure the rags, some people get actual sliders that are designed for this. The rags work great because I feel like they give a little bit more resistance. But make sure that you keep your back straight, your butt down. And we're doing this for 3 1-minute rounds. We're not going to do 6. Obviously 6 is too small. So do 3 1-minute rounds, bust them out. You're going to feel it in your abs. And it's going to do a little bit of a cardio workout for you as well.
Hey, real quick, one more thing before you go. I want to make sure you know that there is no correlation between how hard you work and how much fat you melt or how much muscle you build. Alright, there's enough science, enough data out there that there's absolutely no correlation between hard work and results. Alright, there's a difference between movement and achievement. Alright, if you want to learn my best tips, what I call the 5% hacks that allow you to get maximum results, maximum fat loss, maximum lean muscle gain, I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of this page, or you can click on the link in the description. You're going to get a complete system for melting fat in an intelligent and streamlined system. I'll see you there.